I'm Conrad Schrenk. I'm the owner of 911 Service Center. We repair high-end vehicles. We specialize in all the German brands. And then we have a passion for Porsche. I love a Porsche because it's a car that you can use on a daily basis. Anyone can use it. You doesn't need to have any special skills to drive the vehicle. And then it gives you also that pleasure when you want to race with it or drive fast with it. It got all the capabilities of that as well. And it's just an awesome car. It's beautiful. Yeah, behind me here is an old 356B. She was not in a very good state when she came in. And we restored her. There's a lot of rust. And we bring her back to this point and busy assembling now. We don't do many restorations because it's too time consuming. We do a lot of maintenance and repairs on them. The doors was completely rotten. We had to do a lot of fabrication and repairs on the inner structures as well. But we kept the original piece because the chassis number is on the door. The bonnet, right around the perimeter has been fabricated. The inner structure has been replaced. The front piece of floor here has all been rotten and replaced. And then we're busy with another one. She's getting painted at the moment in a body shop, but we're busy sorting out all the mechanics in the vehicle, the suspension, the engine, everything that goes into the shell. We're preparing now for assembly. Okay, so the next step inside will be to stick sound denting into the vehicle to make it soundproof. And then we will put a carpet set. This carpet is specifically cut for this vehicle, is made overseas for this vehicle. So that gets stick in on top of the sound denting. And then we're going to put the new roof lining in. And then all the trim that go on the sides of the vehicle get put back. The seats get put back, and then she should be ready to go. So the older car is built in such a way that there's always possibility to fix it. Where in the newer cars, things is made of plastic, things is more electronics, and sometimes you just can't fix it. You have to throw it away. It's nice to bring something back to life. This for me, there's that satisfaction of taking something that is completely done with life and bring it back to make it look like it was.